Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing system tips with Richard Murphy. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Network marketing recruiting tips for beginners. A network marketing recruiting company is the most crucial part of your business. If you don't have one, then you are probably in big trouble. Network marketing recruiting is where the prospect at least is lured into using your product or service. Without proper network marketing recruiting company, there would be a bunch of fly-by-night businesses taking advantage of the power of the internet. There are tons of network marketing recruiting companies out there, but there are only a few that have been around for years and have proven themselves time again. For you to succeed in network marketing recruiting, you need to know how to recruit people using networking to generate sales. Network marketing recruiting is the easiest way to get people on board with your business. It's a good thing that so many people are attracted to the concept of network marketing, so there is bound to be a lot of competition from all around. Richard Murphy is one of the founders of network marketing. He believes in the power of human interaction and used this to help him build his own empire. His experience has given him the power to use his connections and put his network marketing recruiting system tips for beginners into action. This will help you set up your own network marketing recruiting company and help you in building an empire, even with just a small operation. For anyone that wants to get involved in network marketing, there are two very important things that they should keep in mind. The first of which is that there is no need to have a vast business network when you are just starting out. Instead, you will need to concentrate on making contacts that you already have and building upon those contacts and connections. Then, in order to start your own network marketing business, you need to have a strategy. You need to come up with a plan of action to market your business. It might sound like common sense, but it is easy to get lost in the flow of things and not come up with a realistic plan of action. Your network marketing recruitment system tips for beginners are meant to help you build a network marketing recruitment company in the safest way possible. These can be used with your existing network marketing recruiting company or with any other network marketing recruiting company that you are interested in. They are the core of any successful network marketing recruitment company. Richard Murphy is the co-founder of one of the world's largest and most successful network marketing recruiting companies. Because of this, he has the knowledge to put together these tips that can help you run your own network marketing recruitment business. Network marketing recruitment is all about getting your business off the ground. It's about having a proven business plan that helps you manage your business so that you can grow your business and attract more people to your business. The first of the network marketing recruiting system tips for beginners is to make sure that you are creating a business plan for your network marketing recruitment company. Do not try to do it yourself because it will take a lot of time. Instead, enlist the help of a professional to make sure that you are putting together a complete network marketing recruiting business plan that is going to work. You need to be sure that you are focusing on how your company's profits will increase when more people start using your products and services. You also need to make sure that you are using effective network marketing recruiting to ensure that your business will grow. Having a network marketing recruiting company can help you make a ton of money and attract more people to your business. It can also help you have a more stable career than if you are stuck doing it alone. Network marketing system tips with Richard Murphy. Are you searching for network marketing recruiting tips that will help you succeed in network marketing? Then read on as I give you the proper network marketing recruiting tips for beginners that can help you get a job at a marketing agency. You do not have to be a marketing manager or an expert in the field of network marketing to get your foot in the door at a marketing agency. There are many openings in marketing agencies these days. What makes this difficult is that there are hundreds if not thousands of candidates who are looking for jobs. One of the keys to making it as a professional network marketer is to get yourself in the right network marketing system. If you are someone who has general education in network marketing, then your chances of being hired by one of the marketing agencies are better. Network marketing recruitment tips for beginners focus on the main question of who is looking for network marketers? The answer is, most probably people looking for a network marketing career. The most important thing you can do has become familiar with the market you are trying to join. Network marketing recruiting tips for beginners involves developing a list of clients and being knowledgeable about them. Since you are already aware of the people looking for network marketers, you can begin to look for ways to find work in the field of network marketing. Some of the network marketing recruiting tips for beginners include starting a blog to share knowledge about network marketing. Building a relationship with others in the industry helps to spread your knowledge far and wide. Network marketing recruiting tips for beginners also involves networking with business associates so that you can learn about the business. Sometimes, just talking with your friends and acquaintances is all it takes to make connections. Network marketing recruiting tips for beginners include taking the time to learn about some of the companies that advertise on your network marketing blog. If you are up to the date on what is going on in the market, you can see what is going on and make informed decisions about where to get started in network marketing. Network marketing recruiting tips for beginners involves being involved in events related to network marketing. This allows you to meet new people, be exposed to new products and find out about some of the wonderful benefits that are available in network marketing. The networking tips for beginners for network marketing require you to research the companies that you are thinking of working for. Check out their website and see if you can find any references to testimonials and success stories. Network marketing recruiting tips for beginners are simple to follow. It's easy to get involved in network marketing, but it's important to be prepared to be patient and take your time. The best network marketing system tips for beginners. Network marketing recruiting is a serious business, and learning how to maximize your returns from your recruiting efforts will give you the freedom to make money while learning the ropes. Now is the time to leverage your marketing resources and put your network marketing system tips for beginners to work for you. This is a highly successful method that you can use to create a long-term income from home. To begin the process of finding the best network marketing system tips for beginners, you must learn as much as you can about the market before you commit to building your own system. What is it that people are buying that could increase your business? For example, if you had a new product coming out, what was the product category? If you were selling books, what would be a good niche market? Or, if you wanted to build a network marketing recruiting site, where would it generate the most profit? Of course, every network marketing system tip for beginners should be viewed through the lens of your specific niche market. For example, if you were starting a network marketing recruiting site, you would want to find products and services related to the type of people you want to attract. In order to grow a profitable network marketing business, you will need to develop and implement the best system for attracting those people to your website. You need to have the right tools and marketing strategies to help you build a sustainable business. To help you discover the best network marketing system tips for beginners, you should first understand the type of products and services that make money in the marketplace. This means that you will need to analyze the current state of the industry to see that niche markets are currently making the most money. You should also learn as much as you can about the supply and demand curve of each product or service. After all, people won't buy a product just because they think it's good. Even when there is a wide demand for a product, there will always be someone who is willing to pay more than the price you set. Knowing this, you can plan your network marketing system tips for beginners to target those people who will pay more than your initial pricing. A good place to start your research into recruiting is with an online database of recruiting companies. This database will allow you to compare the products and services offered by different recruiting firms. Also, you can conduct your research into recruiting from other networks and products in your niche. Just don't expect to recruit from all the recruiting firms that are available, because if you do this, you will lose contact with many of the people you're interested in. If you're serious about network marketing, you should really investigate each step of the process as well as any of the network marketing system tips for beginners that you can find. This will ensure that you get the most benefit out of each system and marketing strategy. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing system tips with Richard Murphy. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.